Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best cordless impact wrenches on Amazon. No matter whether you are a weekend deer, a car enthusiast, or a professional auto mechanic, you definitely have a couple of cordless tools in your tool chest. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Craftsman V20 Cordless half-inch Impact Wrench. In many ways, the Craftsman V20 has a few similarities with the Ingersoll Rand W7150K1. However, it's several inches shorter, measuring only 7 inches, and considering the size, the weight is also lower at 4.66 pounds. Meanwhile, the brushless motor can put out a maximum torque of 350 feet-pounds. It comes with a 420-volt battery, ensuring that you get decent power and longer battery life than others. As a bonus, the included charger can top it off in about 60 minutes. The Craftsman V20 also has a variable speed trigger for better control and preventing over-tightening. Considering the size, it may not fit in the tightest places as other impact wrenches on this list. However, the Craftsman V20 is not designed to be used for that anyway. What we like about it: longer battery life, balanced LEDs on the front, variable speed trigger. What don't we like about it? Heavier. The trigger is a bit sensitive. Number 2. Makita 18VL-XT Cordless half-inch Impact Wrench. Makita XWT15Z, good enough for a tightening torque of 240 feet-pounds and a nut-busting torque of 430 feet-pounds. This one is a bit on the smaller side, but not every job requires 1,000 pounds of power. The motor is powered by an 18-volt 5Ah battery, which, combined with the technology used to build it, provides longer run time. Furthermore, the package is reasonably compact, with a length of a little under 6 inches, weighing around 3.5 pounds. This has a selector switch changing the speed and 3 forward and reverse modes, each for improved efficiency. For example, one of the settings reduces the trigger travel when you need to use full power. Unlike the previous impact wrench, this one has a detent anvil to keep the socket on the shaft. What we like about it: LEDs on the front. Compact. XPT protects it from water and dust. 4 speed settings. What don't we like about it? Not the most powerful one. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand High Torque Cordless half-inch Impact Wrench. On the opposite side of the torque spectrum, we have the Ingersoll Rand. This massive impact wrench comes with a 320-volt battery that powers a motor capable of putting out 780 feet-pounds of tightening and 1,100 feet-pounds nut-busting torque. However, the increased power means that it is significantly heavier and bigger. The head length measures a little under 10 inches, and with the battery installed, it weighs 6.8 pounds. At the tip of the shaft, you have a half-drive friction ring anvil to hold sockets in place. Even though it is over 3 times heavier than its competitors, the rubberized handle makes it comfortable to hold. What we like about it: powerful, bigger battery, variable speed, soft mount system for reduced vibration, great balance. What don't we like about it? Heavy, no LEDs. Number 4. PORTERCABLE 20V Cordless half-inch Impact Wrench. The PORTERCABLE 20V Max comes with a 20 volts 4Ah battery that powers a motor capable of putting out 260 feet-pounds of torque. The combination will get you a well-powered impact wrench with longer battery life. Furthermore, the motor can spin the shaft at 1650 RPMs and 2500 IPMs, while the variable speed trigger will help you control the speed with greater precision. What we like about it: big and powerful battery, comfortable to hold, protective housing, molded handle, LED light. What don't we like about it? The biggest head out of all impact wrenches on this list. Number 5. Ridgid 18VGEN5X Cordless half-inch Impact Wrench. Last but not least is the Ridgid R86011B Octane 18V, churning out 485 feet-pounds of tightening torque and 620 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. It also has a hog ring anvil like most models on the list. The head's length is 7.7 inches and the weight is a little under 4 pounds with a battery. Unlike the previous models, it comes with an 18V battery. It's not the best but should suffice for most use cases. On the other hand, if you were planning to use it 40 hours a week at work, maybe choose a different one or buy 2 batteries, just in case. What we like about it: die-cast gearbox. Relatively light for its size. Auto mode. What don't we like about it? Not ideal for tight spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.